looking at today is the Ray-Ban Round Metal 3447 frame. Very popular frame. At All American Eyeglass Repair, we see this frame frequently throughout the course of the week. And one of the common repairs we see is that the hinge actually breaks. And the temple will break right where the hinge is. You can see this one here snapped off right there. The hinge is gone. So what we do is we take the same exact new temple that we supply at All American Eyeglass Repair so we can get this done for you immediately. We go back on, put the new temple on, and your frame will be fixed again. Now this frame comes in many different colors. So what you'll also see is some of the frames have the actual clear temple cover on the back. We want to make sure you're matched up with the same exact part as your Ray-Ban 3447 should have on. You'll also see it comes in a copper color, a gold color. This one has the actual brown or tortoise temple tip. And then it comes in a couple different colors. One of them included also is the gunmetal with the black temple cover. So regardless of which frame you have and which color you have, All American Eyeglass Repair has the parts you need to fix your round metal Ray-Ban 3447 frame. For more information, contact us at AmericanEyeglassRepair.com. We're happy to help you.